Hi you guys, Damon and Sophie here again. Today we are featuring this beautiful 1974 Jaguar XKE, and it's called the E-Type.
Yep.
It's silver on black. It's gorgeous.
This car sold for $92,000 on Bring a Trailer in 2020.
Wow, yeah, I believe it. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
It's a V12.
Yep,
So it's a
it says
special
right here.
car. It's a
Yeah.
manual. And guess what? The best part?
Tell me.
It has air conditioning.
Oh, that's nice.
Yep. So
That's always a plus in Florida.
we're going to do a cold start, and then you're going to get to drive this classic downtown, and
Yes.
this one is going to get all kinds of people checking it out.
Yeah,
Because it's
well,
very, very special.
Yeah, it's one of a kind.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we are opening up.
And we got to be careful for the front because it goes all the way down.
Okay, so people here.
So this is a
that's very gorgeous.
V12. Yeah, there's stuff everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really cool. You really can't touch the exhaust, but you could touch down here on the valve covers. They're actually pretty cold, huh?
Yeah, it's cold actually. Yeah.
Right?
Beautiful. I
You
don't
could
wanna
touch the front.
chrome. It's like so shiny.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty. But yeah, engine's cold. It's been sitting here for a couple days. It's a special car. Very, very unique.
Looks like it has brand new tires.
Yeah,
They
because
look really good.
I think it's only got like 4,000 miles on
Yeah?
it since it was restored. It was restored in 2019.
The engine.
Yeah, but a lot of people they ask about the hoods and are these louvers riveted or?
Riveted?
Yeah, I
You
don't.
see any rivets? I don't.
No,
I don't
no.
see any. Oh no, it's one piece.
So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Very
ready?
neat. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in.
Very neat. Let me put this down. This has some unique latches to hold the hood down, and I will show.
On each side.
Yeah, there is. Yep. And you don't do that, I'll do them, but you push these in, it pushes the hood down, and then you turn it to the left. This one is old school, so it's got a choke, and this is the choke, and you're gonna pull this out just a little bit. Carefully, don't break a nail.
No.
This one will smoke a little bit.
Okay.
It should, because you'll pump the gas a few times.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. We're pumping it.
And then pull the choke out just a tad. The middle one. Up, right there, that. Pull that out just a little bit. A little more, right there.
More?
And then when you start it, should start right up, and then you'll push it in slowly as it warms up. You ready for all this?
This is the choke?
Yeah.
I've never seen a choke square like that.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Huh, okay.
How many miles has it got?
Okay, well.
Oh, that's 68,000. That's the I think that's the original
Oh,
odometer.
wait, what are we looking at?
The bottom one.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just.
You ready for all this?
Yeah,
Okay.
do my best.
Cut.
As I
You got the
always
key in? I think I left it in there. Yeah, it's in.
do. Yep.
Let me go to the back.
Go to back.
Should smoke a little bit.
Okay.
Do it.
Do it, you sure?
Yep.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I guess I don't have to push the clutch. Okay. Here it comes.
Cut. Not much. A little tiny puff. Yeah, not much. Did you push the choke in already? It's
I will, if you want me to.
No, not yet. It's idling low, so that's good.
Yeah?
It does have a retro stereo, air conditioning.
A lot of buttons. We'll have to go through all these buttons.
What's the oil
there.
pressure at? It's the second one from the left.
But the sun is like, you can't really see.
Should be above 40.
We're halfway, so I don't know. I
Okay.
can't tell you, but it looks like it's where it needs to be.
Let's pull it out. What a gorgeous car. You look good in there. Yeah.
As long as I don't fall.
No, you won't.
Ah.
Give it a little gas. A little more. Okay, push the choke in.
Okay, hold on, one thing at a time.
Okay. Is it in?
It's in. Yes.
Are you gonna drive this with high heels?
I will start with high heels. Sounds good.
V12.
Yeah, big engine.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna pick it apart. Here we go. Wheels. We've had the wheels off, phenomenal condition. Paint, unbelievable. There are a couple loose things on here. These rubber pieces are a little loose. This one's a little crooked. I think if I kept the car, I would straighten that out because this one's a little crooked from that one. And this one needs the rubber pieces tightened up. I picked that apart on the front of the car. Headlight bezels, headlights are in great condition. Paint is absolutely stunning. There is no rust. The car's been sitting inside our facility and it was in a private collection from somebody before. So all the body lines are in amazing condition. There's no larger or shorter gaps anywhere. We did have a new top put on it because there was a pinch, there was a rub area right here. And if you don't have the seats all the way up, when you put the top down, the metal on the back of the convertible top can damage the seats. Anyway, so as you move back to the back, again, the paint, the trunk, the exhaust is cool. The condition is stunning. Inside the gas cap, there is a little, no, that's just a little bit of dirt. I thought I saw something on the back. These are all in amazing condition. Where was it? Not there. There's something back here. See, I have to look at this. The chrome's absolutely stunning. There is a little nick in the chrome right behind the bumper on this. And these are not tight. I don't know if they're supposed to be tight. They almost look like they're not useful. It's like they're just for looks. But I don't think people assume they're going to be running into things with the car. So top's brand new, windshield's great. Yeah, so there you go. Tires are great. You look really good in there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
The car makes me look good.
All right. So, you ready? Let me pop the trunk real quick. Trunk is stunning in here. Somebody's probably going to ask about the rivets for the logos, and you can see those. Yeah, it's very, very nice. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Oh, completely
I don't think
secure?
I
I don't think I did this side. There you go. Perfect. Thank you.
Yep. Alrighty.
Yes.
There's really not a lot to pick apart. 4-speed manual V12 1974 XKE Jaguar. Look at that. Have fun. She got done doing the M3 today. Now she's in an old school car. It's gonna be so much fun. Here comes Sophie in the XKE. And at the same time, there goes a Mustang convertible. Look at that. That is so cool. What do you think?
That's pretty neat.
It's really neat.
It took me a minute to put it in reverse.
It's smooth, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Make
very
sure the
smooth.
choke is pushed in all the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, where can you find it?
Bring a trailer.
Yes, ma'am. Rev it up.
Rev it up. We're gonna go backwards. huh?
Yeah.
That's a big end. You can tell that.
Right?
the sound is-
V12.
Yeah.
Isn't that neat?
Feels good. Yes, it sounds fun.
Ah. Can be yours for,
If you're the highest bidder, it's yours.
yeah, it could be $21,642.
So no reserve again?
No reserve.
No reserve?
Yeah. And it sold for $92,000 in 2020.
Yeah. Well, because we believe that we only purchase beautiful cars.
Yep. And
Well,
this
I
is
don't. You guys.
no. Don't you own all these cars?
I wish. No.
Isn't this place called Sophie's Car Paradise? Sophie's Car Paradise featured on Bring a Trailer.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Thanks.
Good
luck.
And
Good.
it's a beauty.
It is. It's going to look great in your driveway. And in what?
In the garage. Even in the
Oh.
driveway. It needs to be pampered.
This car's going
It
in
needs to
somebody's
be-
garage.
it's a
Yes, ma'am.
collection. Yeah.
Good job. Thank you. All right, everybody. Bye for now.